Landlords, brace yourself for the fall market. The softening interest for buyers and tenants has spread, and we're keeping a close eye on this as we head into the last part of 2021. It's Friday, September 10th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. While demand is slowing, days on the market are growing until an offer is received, and days of the frenzied market we saw in the first part of the market this year has fizzled in many areas. Here's what's happened since my last week's report. 1,965 homes came to the market. This is an increase from the prior week. 1,169 homes are coming soon, reflecting a decline in potential inventory. 799 homes went under contract, and this is a further drop from the prior weeks. 1,805 are temporarily off the market. This is fewer than last week's report. 1,228 have moved to pending. This is off by more than 200 units. 1,310 homes settled last week. This is down by more than half from last week. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this to-be-built home in Kenwood Park's Bethesda community for $2,627,416. Rental inventory is up another 30 units to 1,095, and these have been on the market an average of 45 days. This marks a trend for longer days on the market until rented, actually more than double, up from 20 days just 30 days ago. That's your market snapshot for Friday, September 10th, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update, and be sure to subscribe for new content. Have a super weekend, and I'll be here next Friday. Take care.